Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In triangle ABC, right-angled at B, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of, first question, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Given tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to 1 by root 3. So, opposite side we can take as 1k, adjacent side we can take as root 3k. Here the acute angle is angle A. So here I have drawn the right triangle, right angled at B, because the question it is given, it is right angled at B. Here angle A and angle C are the acute angles. Based on this angle A, this side AB is the adjacent side and the side BC is the opposite side. So let us mark the values there. So the opposite side is 1k, adjacent side is root 3k, hypotenuse is missing. Let us find out the value of hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, that is equal to root 3 whole square plus 1 square. Square of root 3 is 3. So that is equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. That is hypotenuse square equal to 4. Hypotenuse equal to root of 4, that is equal to 2. So here we can write hypotenuse is 2k. Now let us come back to the question. The first question is find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second question is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So to find out all these values, first we need to find out what is sin A sin C cos A cos C. So let us find out it first. Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to 1k by 2k, that is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to root 3k by 2k, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Next, sin C. In this case, the acute angle is C. So, the adjacent side and opposite side will change according to angle C. You see here, this is angle C and this BA is the opposite side of angle C and this BC is the adjacent side of angle C. So that is equal to root 3k by 2k equal to root 3 by 2. Cos C equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to 1k by 2k, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now the first question, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 4 that is equal to 1. So sin A cos C plus cos A sin C equal to 1. Second question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to root 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 equal to root 3 by 4. So that is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. That is equal to 0. Therefore, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C equal to 0. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.